Hello children, good evening. Again I'm back with a new video of class 7. That is, this is the part 3, chapter 3, and I will going to upload very soon it, right? And this is in this video you will come to know about what are the volcanoes, what is that inside, what is the structure of the volcano as it is with what are the types of volcanoes. Okay children, so let's we will not waste the time. First I will wish you a very nice Rath Yatra everyone, and hope so you are well at home and staying at home. Please maintain social distancing, don't go in the rush and in the very much crowded places. So home is your most safest place of the earth, right? So we have to stay everyone at home, right? Okay children, will start. Let's not waste the time. Okay, today I will start. I will read it out in your book because some things I will tell, then some extra things, then whatever you will note it out in your book. Okay, volcanoes. Volcanoes is opening in the earth's crust through which the molten rock, from where molten rocks are coming? Molten rocks are coming from the asthenosphere, especially from the mantle, upper mantle, and gases erupts. Erupts means coming out. Coming out means it has been so many things has been coming out. Explosion. I think children Discovery Channel you have seen how the volcanoes eruptions will be there. Suddenly there is a bomb type of explosions will be there, and suddenly it start erupting. What erupting? The magma erupting. Magma wherever reaches to the earth's surface, that is called the lava. Okay, deep, which is started from deep inside to the earth. Sometimes molten materials are poured out through a sometimes all the cases na children, this explosion is not compulsory. Some cases what is happening, a little type of cracks are there also in the mountains. These are called fissures. Okay, so silently also from magmas are coming out through these fissures. Okay, fissures means the cracks. Okay, so these are also a type of volcanic eruptions. Okay, so volcanic eruptions are two type. How it comes? One will be very much explosive way it is coming, another will be silently it is coming through the fissures. Okay, volcanoes are having, children, page number 22. Everybody has been draw the diagram, the structure of volcanoes, right? Everyone should write down and color it nicely. Okay, next will be the natural activity. These natural activity is known as volcanism. Please underline children, what is volcanism? Volcanism releases magma. Volcanism releases magma. What is the coming out? What is the outcome? It will be the magma. Magma means, actually we will tell it lava, but it starts from the magma chamber. Inside like a storage type of thing is there. It's called magma chamber. Wherever it starts from the upper mantle in the asthenosphere. That has been called as the magma chamber. Okay. Magma is a molten rock form of the mantle, pushes its way through the cracks towards the surface. Magma that spills onto the earth's surface is called lava. Whenever magma reaches to the earth's surface, it's spread it over, it cools down, we will tell it as a lava. I think beforehand only I have already told. Okay, during an eruption, volcanic lava gases, what things are coming? Underline children. What is lava also, that also underline. What things are coming? Lava coming, ashes coming, cinders coming. Cinder means the small pieces of very small pieces of rock, triangular shapes. Okay, fragmented materials are also ejected into the atmosphere. Ejected means directly it has been mixed up with the atmosphere. Okay, and there will be in the atmosphere, there will be very much this type of pollutant things are also coming and it is mixing, right? Next, the volcanic vent is concentrated by the pipe channel is the to the magma chamber. How the volcano? Acha children, I will better explain because I have already drawn on my board that how it is looking like. Here magma chamber I have drawn. Magma chamber means inside, wherever it is coming, like I have wanted to show that it is the it is your, I think I have written because in front of wise I am making the video, that is why I don't know you will able to see it properly or not, but the diagram you can able to see it very nicely. So you can do it nicely, like from the magma chamber. From the magma chamber, what is happening? The lavas are magmas are coming. Magmas means in the asthenosphere, right? Coming, and it is also erupting like this way only. Acha. On the mouth of the magma, what is happening? It's a depression type of thing is there, like in the mouth. Mouth means we are, whenever we are eating the food, we are making ha, no, like that way. Here also the mouth of the volcanoes are called the craters. Craters means the depression area. Whatever we will do, depression area, whatever we are doing, depression area, and in this depression area it is called the crater. Okay, this is called the crater. Next, what is that? Please underline, children, the what is magma chamber, located deep inside the earth. In the course of the time, in the course of the time means according to the time, lava forms a cone of the mountain. Acha, suppose first lava layer has been stored, second lava layer stored, third lava layer stored, like this way the shape of the mountains has been taken. And this type of mountains are one type, it's a conical type of hill, means the conical shape. Okay, so this type of hills are called the volcanoes. Okay, another thing is that in course of the time lava forms a cone of mountain around the vent. Around the vent means from the vent it coming and storing here, here also coming and storing, here also again coming and storing, like this way it is conical shape it is taking. Okay, and sometimes such mountains have layers. Layers means suppose small material, then a little big, like this way also layer wise it is storing, and sometimes it is mixing also. What are they are, what are the materials? Please underline, children, what are the materials? One will be ash, another will be the lava. Okay, the opening at the top mountain is called crater. I have told now the mouth of the volcano is called crater. Okay, volcanoes are divided. Now I will tell you what are the types of volcanoes. Okay, volcanoes are divided into different types based on their frequency of eruption. Frequency of eruptions means what? What means how frequently it erupts. How frequently means means it's very soon it erupts, all time it is erupting, or very less it is erupting, like this way only. Okay, according to that, volcano has been divided into three portions. They are active volcanoes, second one will be dormant volcanoes, third one will be what? Extinct volcanoes. First one, I will just explain active volcanoes. Active volcanoes are what? Active volcanoes are those, they are still erupting. It means that they can, anytime they can start erupting also. They are called active volcanoes. Okay, what are the example? Please underline, children. Mount Etna, Mount Stromboli of the Mediterranean Sea is the most significant example of this category. Please underline, children, it is very much important. You have to memorize that, you have to learn it. Second will be dormant volcanoes. Sorry, children, dormant volcanoes are those that have been quite a longer time. It means that the volcanoes are quite for longer time, but suddenly any time it can be erupt. There is no surety, no guarantee, but long time it has been, their vent is often blocked with the plunge of solidification of lava. Here what is happening, the solid lava has been solidified and they are keep closing the mouth. But sometimes what is happening, after a long time suddenly it has started erupting, and whenever the pressure will be excessive, it is the mouth is opening, again it can start. So these are called the dormant volcanoes. And these are very violent also. Okay, Mount Vesuvius is an excellent example of these type of volcanic dormant volcanoes. It erupts in AD 79 with the terrible force, destroying the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Find out Herculaneum, right? And it is erupted like this way only. Okay, third I will tell you, that is of extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes, another type. This type of volcanoes, what is happening, what is the specification? The craters of some extinct fields with water are this type of volcanoes, it is sure that extinct means it finished. It means that a lava chamber, lava is not there, or its situation is like that, it will further not to be erupt. No way. Means after near future, after 5 years, 10 years, it will not to be erupt, it is dead. Okay, this type of mountains are called extinct volcanic mountains. Okay, like Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Africa, show the indication of future eruption, but it has not been any sign. Some extreme volcanoes filled with water. Achha, some cases what is happening? Extreme volcanoes on the mouth, na rainfall generally happening. So what is there in the mouth? U shape. There is a depression. Depression means like a whole type of thing it is coming, like this way type of thing. So here water droplets are storing. Okay, and it is sometimes making lakes. So this type of lakes. This is called crater, mouth of the volcano, and these lakes are called crater lakes. Okay, children, I think you have understood. Next, or some other lakes are also called calderas. Okay, either crater lakes also called or calderas also called. However, no volcano can be called extinct with completely certainty. Acha, we cannot tell that any volcano can be dead. It means that we don't have any surety. Any time it can be start again, magma chamber it has been filled up and again it can be start. So no volcano we can tell it is the dead. It will not near future. It will not to be again erupts. Okay. Acha. Some of the children now distribution of volcanoes. Distribution of volcanoes are what is that? Volcanoes are found mainly around the Pacific Ocean in the circular route. It's called Pacific Ring of Fire. Acha. What is Pacific Ring of Fire? Here children I will tell you here. Near the Pacific Ocean, around the round-wise, 70% of the world volcanoes are located over there. Okay, if I tell a Pacific Ocean, so what will happen? So these surrounding portions are making worlds a circular shape, and this is called what? This is called Pacific Ring of Fire. Please underline children, what is that? India's only volcano. Acha, here also India's one more volcano is also to be added. What is the name? Barren Island, which is located in the, it is the active volcano. It is located where? It is located in the Andaman. Okay, and its last eruptions has been done when? In the 2006, in the year of 2006. So I think children this is I think clear, and elsewhere if you have any doubt, so that you can ask me anytime. I repeated time said, then also I am telling. If you have any doubts still in the group you can ask, or personally also you can ask me, and better you can clarify your doubts, all your doubts in the Zoom classes. Okay children, so very soon again we will meet in the Zoom classes. Thank you so much till that time. I think volcanoes, eruptions and whatever the things are there that you have understood. If you not understood, please tell me. Okay, thank you so much. Stay at home. Once again Rath Yatra, happy Rath Yatra and very good evening. Thank you so much.